Welcome to our vlog!
Hey guys, good morning. It's 5:21. Waiting na lang for boarding. I think 5:25 na nakalagay boarding time. And yeah, wala akong tulog guys. Hindi ako natulog kasi nga naging bakit kagabi. Tapos nung finally natapos ako mga 2 something. We're supposed to set alarm ng 3:30. Sabi ko, mabibitin ako ng tulog pag natulog pa ako. So, yeah. And I ended up having excess. 57 pounds yung 57 pounds yung manita ko. Kapag excess baggage, $100 yung bayad. Pero kapag ano ka na lang, pero pag dalawang bags ang chinek-in mo instead of isa, $90. Doon ka na lang sa dalawang bags at least pinahiram lang ako ni alam bigay na yun kasi hindi ko rin paano babalik duffel bag. So hindi po rin siya mapupuno lang another 50 pounds, pero in case lang wala na pala, isang gamitan lang pala yun. Sabi ko pagbalik magagamit yung 50 pounds, hindi na yun pala. But yeah, instead of paying 100 for excess, 90 and I have 2 bags. So anyways, yeah, I'm so sleepy. Nakatulog ako on the way here kasi 1 hour drive, diba? Siguro mga 40 minutes ako nakatulog. Yung boses ko medyo pause na. So I plan on sleeping the whole flight. I think it's a 2-hour flight. We'll see you. Flight ko nga pala is again Chicago and then Chicago to Austin. So yeah, estimated time of arrival will be around 11:45 Austin time, which is they are 1 hour behind.
Guys, I'm here! Hindi sumama si Zaki sa pagsundo. And si ate mo lang ang nasa sasakyan. So yeah, we're waiting. Umikot to yung ate niya. So, yun na, nadagdagan tayo ng isang bag. Hey guys! Hindi na ako naka-update. It's 2:10. And yeah, I'm so tired. Andito na kami. Andito na ako sa Texas. Sa bahay ng ate ni Vince. So, ito yung aming room for the stay. Doon natulog si Zeb, airbed. Tapos dito natulog si Daddy tsaka si Zach. Tapos nagtatalo kami kasi now that I'm here, it's Daddy and me dito sa kama. Ayaw daw ni Zach sa airbed. Ayaw katabi ang kuya. Baka talaga. Oh, you used to sleep together. Yeah, that's the keyword. Used to. Yeah. So, ewan ko, paano kami mamayang gabi? Kung tabi ba kami or what. But anyways, I am tired. Pero alis daw kami ng 4:30 So, I still have enough, like, at least an hour that I can sleep and then ayos, makeup and everything. It's so hot. As expected. Yeah, paglabas mo ng airport, feel mo kaagad. Sabi ko, shucks, parang Pinas, ang init. Yung hangin, mainit. Yeah. Sa Connecticut kasi, tsaka sa New York kahapon, same weather lang like sa Calgary. Maaraw, pero malamig yung hangin. Dito, mainit na yung araw. Mainit din yung hangin. So anyways, let's take a quick nap. And I'll see you guys later when we're all done. Meron kaming theme or motif ng photoshoot namin today, which is brown, beige, white, light brown. Ganun shade. Ganun yung peg. So, and it's an outdoor photoshoot daw sa park. So, yeah. Dapat talaga mga hapon-hapon kasi ang init naman pagka like alas 4. So, tama lang mga 4:30 daw alis dito. Anyways, yeah, let's rest for a bit and then we can prepare in a while. See you later. Hey guys, we're all set, ready. No, not all. I am set. Say hi.
Hi!
Tell them your name.
Yannicka.
Annika. Ayan, yung anak ng sister ni Vince. So, my niece. Are you pretty?
Yeah.
Yes, very pretty. Oh my goodness. Oo, TD. Ay, hindi ko alam kung napakita ko na tong dress ko, but I don't think so. Tada! You want to do your OOTD? Your outfit of the day? There you go. Turn. So cute. Hinintay na lang namin sila matapos and we're going soon.
To the park.
To the park. Yeah, take good pictures.
Like, where is Eddie? No one.
We made it to the park and nauna na sila. Yung isang sister ni Vince, nandun na sila para magpa-per family muna kami. And then we'll do the whole fam. Yes, outfit of the day. Ay, kanina pala. Ay, hindi. Kanina walang kasamang shoes. But anyway, bigay lang din to sa akin today. Nung kapatid niya. Ay, ko sakto naman. Dapat kasi naka-ballet flats lang ako. So, buti naman. At least mas medyo matangkad tayo sa picture. Guys, we are done with the photo shoot and we are going to eat here. Tada! As requested. Mag-i-in-and out tayo. Yay! I'm excited. Let's go. Ano sila? Pipicture lang ako. Wait lang. Mga kids nandoon. And the guys, and cheeseburger, and fries, and sweet iced tea. Nothing to eat. Ayaw kumain. Hey guys, we're home. Actually, kanina pa. Mag-aalas 10 na. Yeah. So, it's time to call it a night. Ayoko tanggalin yung pilikmata ko. Sana buo pa siya bukas ng umaga pagkagising ko. Anyways, good night. Night, Daddy.
Huh?
Good night.
Good night.
Bye guys, yung mga bata nandun pa sa labas at naglalaro with Tito Rochi. Inaano nila mag-Roblox. Tinuturoan mag-Roblox. Anyway, so yeah. See you tomorrow. I need to charge my battery. Thanks for watching. Finally, makatulog na tayo. Good night.